Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we are going to show you floor plan tutorial. So how to use floor planner. Now in this case, you might be wondering what is a best or a good platform here to basically start creating your floor plans. Well, in this case, Floor Planner here is a website wherein you could access it anywhere. So as long as you have an account with them, you can access your floor plans here on their website. Now in this case, go ahead and open up any browser, go to floorplanner.com and basically log in. Now in this case, what we need to do first is we first need to see what are the things that we can do here in Floor Planner. Now in their website, which is floorplanner.com, you should be able to see their features. Now in this case, you could go ahead and start creating your account here, or if you want to try a demo first, where in this case you'll be able to basically see the features, what are the tools that you could use, and basically start creating your floor plans. Now in this case, you also have the bottom section here, which includes easy to learn, versatilities, a tool for many uses. So interior design, real estate, retail, personal use, and a lot more. Now in this case, like for example, you already have an existing floor plan, where you could upload that into their platform here and integrate it into your projects or upcoming projects. Now in this case, to get us started, the first thing that we need to do here is we need to create our free account. So at the top right here, click on free account and you have the following options. So you have the option here to sign up with your Google account or your Apple account. Now you could also use the manual way here, wherein you need to enter your email address as well as your password and the confirmation of that password, and you also have to agree to the privacy terms and conditions and privacy policy here. And if you want to be updated with the updates or the announcements from Floor Planner, you could also enable this one. But in this case, go ahead and just follow all the steps that you need to basically create your account here. But since I already created my account, I want to click on login. Choose Google here, since that's what I use to sign up with their platform. And once we've done that, we are now ready to start creating our project here in Floor Planner. Now, as you can see, this is going to be the main dashboard for full Floor Planner here. Now we have dashboard here, which in this case is going to be the general overview of what we have right now, our projects, and a lot more. Now here we will be able to also see our profile, which includes the number of projects, experts, and credits that we have right now. So they also have a credit system here, wherein depending on how much credit you have here, or the credits that you have ready to spend, you'll be able to access some specific features here, wherein I'll be showing you later on. Now we also have the style board here, the exports, reports, and the projects. Now at the top section here, we have the support here if you have any questions or need assistance on some features that you have right now here. Now, we also have the products here, which personal use, retail, real estate, and professional. So depending on what you need here, so for personal use, just use professional here. Also have the pricing here, so if you want to know how much they actually require you to spend, like for example, buy credits without subscription. So 5 credits going to be 7.49, 10 credits 14.99. Now later on, I'll be showing you how those credits are being used. Now we have your basic here, so for everyone that needs a plan, a space, which in this case we actually only need 0 credits for a month. But again, there's going to be some limitations for the free planner you have right now, so you only be able to basically full planner functionality here and the full library access. So we also have the wait time for new exports, so 10-minute cooldown, so you'll only be able to export your projects here every 10 minutes, so there's going to be a cooldown for that. Now we also have the $5 per month, which includes 4 credits per month. Now in this case, we want to start creating our project. So let's just go back into Floor Planner here, and let's go to project here and click on create project. Now from here, it's going to ask us the following information. So that includes the name of the project, the template or brand here, the country, the state, zip code, city, street address, apartment, suite, building, and labels. So in this case, you can go ahead and enter all the necessary details here to fully customize and basically dictate what your plan or project is for. Now at the left side here, we have our project level. Now in this case, you have the SD, HD, 4K, and 8K. So like what I said before, depending on how many credits you have right now, you'll be able to access some certain aspects into it. Like for example, if you use the SD here, which includes 2 credits here, you'll be able to basically access their features. You have the HD here, which is a lot bigger format here. You also have the 4K, 8K here. Now in this case, we only want to use the SD here, which is standard quality, or the least or the least quality here. Now in this case, you go ahead and enter all the necessary details here, but if you want to skip this, they'll go ahead and don't put anything here, and I want to retain this as project 1 and just click on start project. Now once we click on start project here, we have the following options. So we have the empty plan here, which in this case you'll be starting from scratch. We have the room wizard here, wherein you'll be able to basically use the wizard to build your plan. Now for example, I want to click on room wizard here, and you'll be able to choose the room shape here and a lot more. So you could mirror horizontally, mirror vertically, and a lot more. So you don't have to edit much in this case. So you just need to choose and follow the steps here for you to create your floor plan. But again, like what I said before, if you already have a floor plan ready and you want to use that for your project, just click upload to the floor plan here. Choose your floor plan, click on open. It's going to start uploading that, and once it's actually uploaded, you can start using it. Now in this case, there's going to be a transparent photo of our floor plan here. So what we need to do here is we want to start adding our walls or our areas. Now in this case, you have the basic here. We have the draw room, draw wall, draw surface, place doors, place windows, place structurals. Now maybe we want to draw a room here. Just click on draw a room here, and you could go ahead and just press in on a specific section here. So maybe I want to start in here, and I want to basically add a wall for this whole area or lot here. Now in this case, since we have a door here, we want to place a door here. Just click on place door here, and maybe we want to have that standard door here. So press and hold on it and drag it into the section here, and make sure that you align it properly. As you can see, we were able to add that door. Now if you want to draw a specific wall here, just click on draw wall here, and as you can see, we'll be able to start drawing our wall here. So you could go ahead and start drawing whatever section you need here. And once you've completed, you could go ahead and just click on export image at the top right. So obviously there's going to be a lot of features that you could do here. Like for example, if you want to add objects here. So just to give you an example, maybe I want to add a oven or a kitchen area here. So let's go ahead and click on kitchen, and maybe I want to say basic unit here, and I want to add a kitchen island or a counter. So maybe I want to use this one here maybe. So let's choose this one and drag it in here, and we should be able to place it in this section. As you can see, we were able to add that section. Now if you want to remove some certain aspects into your section here, so you could go ahead and click on the delete button here, and you'll be able to delete the background here, and you'll be able to basically see the whole lot on what you've actually built right now. Now if you want to reverse that, just click on Control Z, and you'll be able to revert your actions. So if you deleted something, you'll be able to revert back into here. Now we also have the other options here, like style board, finishes, like colors and materials. Your exports here is, in this case, you'll be able to export your image here. So maybe you want to click on export top right here to finalize our image, and choose the SD here and click on the export image here. And as you can see, exports are in progress. Images will send to you in minutes. So in this case, in the export section here, this is where you'll be able to see your exports. So in this case, if it's ready or available, you could go ahead and click on the download button here, and you'll be able to download your exports. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.